So tan P means in tan ratio, that is opposite side by adjacent side, the length of opposite side by the length of adjacent side of angle P. So that is what Nana? QR by QP, okay, or PQ, or QR means that is 24 by PQ means that is 7. And in the same meanwhile, tan R in tan ratio, that is opposite side by the length of opposite side by the length of adjacent side. This time we are considering angle R. Just now we consider angle P. QR is the opposite side and PQ is the adjacent side. Now we are considering angle R. Then the side which is opposite to angle R, that is PQ. Okay na? And the side adjacent of angle R, that is what na? That is QR. Okay na? This time this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So PQ means that is 7 by QR means that is 24. So now I am going to substitute the values. Tan P is equals to 24 by 7 and tan R is equals to 7 by 24. Okay, I'm substituting in this place. Then see, tan P means what? That is 24 by 7 minus tan R means that is 7 by 24. Okay, so what I am doing, do the cross multiplication. 24 into 24, that is 24 whole square minus 7 into 7, that is 7 whole square by denominators also 7 into 24. Okay, so 24 whole square means that is 576 minus 7 whole square means that is 49 by 7 into 24. 7 2s are 14, 140, 7 4s are 28, that is 168. Okay, so 16 minus 9 will get that is 7, 6 minus 4 that is 2, 527 by 168. Okay students, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, now let us discuss one more question, that is question number 3. Question number 3, you take it as homework. Okay now, which is the same model of second question, and I am taking question number 4. Question number 4, the given data, given cos of A is equals to, that is 12 by 13, then find sin A tan A. Sin A is equals to what? Tan A is equals to what? So this is the question. Given cos A is equals to 12 by 13. So we know cos means what? In cos ratio, cos means what, Nana? That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. I am going to draw a triangle, a right angle triangle A, B, C. Right angle is at B. In cos ratio means that is given 12 by 13. So that is adjacent side by opposite. With respect to cos A అన్నాడు కాబట్టి angle A ని consider చేస్తున్నా. Adjacent side of angle A, that is AB. That means what? 12. Hypotenuse is what? Longest side. That is 13. So we need to find the BC. Okay. Now using Pythagoras theorem, UPT. Using Pythagoras theorem, that is what, Nana? The square of the hypotenuse is equals to side square plus side square. The square of the H means hypotenuse, S means side. Okay. The square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is nothing but hypotenuse here what was CA. CA whole square is equals to one of the side is AB, means AB whole square, plus another side is BC, that is BC whole square. CA means that is given 13, so 13 whole square is equals to AB means that is given 12 whole square plus BC whole square. 13 whole square means 13 13s, that is 169 is equals to 12 whole square means that is 144. 12 12s are 144 plus BC whole square means that is BC whole square only. Now I'm transposing 144 from RHS to LHS. We get 169 minus 144 is equals to BC square. 169 minus 144 means that is we get 25, that is equals to BC square. So both sides I am applying square root. Both sides square root apply chedam. Apply square root both sides. Then we get under root of 25 is equals to under root of BC square. Square root cancel. Then BC is equals to under root of 25 means that is what? 5. Because of 5 square is equals to 25 na. Under root of 5 square means square root cancel ante 5 ఉంటుంది. Okay na. So we get BC is equals to what? The length of BC is equals to 5. Now we need to find the sin A. Sin A. ఏం కావాలి ఇక్కడ? Sin A tan A. Okay. Sin means with respect to angle A. Sin means that is the length of opposite side by the length of the hypotenuse. The length of opposite side that is nothing but BC by hypotenuse that is CA. That is BC means pi, CA means 30. And now tan ratio, tan A. With respect to angle A, tan ratio that is the length of opposite side by the length of adjacent side of angle A. That is what opposite side of angle A, that is BC, by the adjacent side of angle A, that is AB. That is equals to the length of opposite side BC is 5 centimeter, that is 5, and the adjacent side of angle A, that is nothing but AB. Okay, so ante this is adjacent side, this is opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. So AB means 12. So this is the required answer for this question. So not only these two ratios, sin A, tan A, we need to, if you want to find cos A or sec A, cosec A, yes, tan A, cot A, ఇవన్నీ 6 trigonometric ratios find out చేయొచ్చు. Okay na students? So you to practice the remaining questions in the same manner. Thank you.